6:48 is your time. A federal judge has blocked a Texas border law from going into effect next week. Senate Bill 4 would allow state and local law enforcement to arrest and deport people whom they believe cross the border illegally. Texas immediately appealed the decision. KVUE's Malia Masimoto was in the hearing a few weeks ago. She joins us now with more on this situation. Keep us up to date, Malia. What do you have?
Yeah, good morning, Yvonne. Opponents of the bill say it was a big day for them yesterday, but those in court, we also saw this appeal coming. The U.S. District Judge David Ezra hinted toward his decision during that hearing. He told the state he'd try to make a decision as soon as possible so they would have time to appeal before that law goes into effect. Now, SB 4 was set to go into effect this Tuesday, March 5th. And since Governor Greg Abbott signed the bill into law this past December, the Department of Justice and several civil rights groups filed lawsuits saying it's unconditional and could lead to racial profiling. They say enforcing immigration law should only be a federal responsibility. Now, during the hearing last month, Judge Ezra brought up a similar concern, saying that if Texas starts passing its own immigration laws, it could lead to a confederation of states all with their own immigration laws. Now, civil rights advocates were also at that hearing that day. Take a listen to what they had to say.
If SB 4 were to stand, it would set a dangerous precedent of allowing individual states to resist any federal laws they don't agree with, which will only create more chaos and disorder and will prevent the hope of ever actually solving some of our biggest problems.
Now, after Judge Ezra's decision yesterday, Attorney General Ken Paxton weighed in, making a statement saying in his own words, they appealed this incorrect decision and, quote, I will do everything possible to defend Texas's right to defend herself against the catastrophic illegal invasion encouraged by the federal government. Now, the bill will now go in front of the 5th U.S. Circuit of Appeals, but during the hearing, Judge Ezra says he thinks this is going to the Supreme Court. Yvonne.